Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile setting, and in this video friends, I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile guys home screen setting. And today video title is guys how to set Redmi mobile app driver mode setting. Friends, you want to set Redmi mobile app driver mode setting. So friends, now let's see how to set Redmi mobile app driver mode setting one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, in your Redmi mobile, how to use app driver mode setting, how to set app driver mode, how to use all icon in app driver mode. Open your phone setting. After turn phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. So friends, in your Redmi mobile, scroll down here, open your phone home screen setting. Second option friends, click your home screen setting. Classic mode you can use and app driver mode you can use. So friends, you want to use home screen setting and you want to use show all app in app driver mode setting. So you can show all app with app driver mode in Redmi mobile. Right click here and you can use it. And after guys, app driver mode setting friends, your home screen style will change. Friends, you can check you have new home screen style. Swipe here, you can use all app in app driver mode setting in Redmi mobile. Friends, again if you click your home classic mode settings, so friends, you can check your home screen style will change. You have new home screen style and you cannot swipe, you cannot use all app in app driver mode setting. So you want to show all app in app driver, you want to use show all app with app driver mode setting, click here and you can use it. So friends, you can check your app will show with app driver mode and you can use it. And you want to change your home screen layout, you want to lock your home screen layout, scroll down here, open your phone home screen setting, then click here home screen setting and scroll down here. Friends, you can see background color you can set, you can change Redmi mobile background color. Scroll bar layout you want to change, you can change. Scroll down here friends, you can see lock home screen layout. Icon size, right side you can increase and left side friends you can decrease your icon size in Redmi mobile. So friends, you can see icon size will increase, you want to decrease left side, click here and you can decrease your Redmi mobile icon size will decrease. So like that friends, you can adjust your icon size and you want to use medium size. So friends, you can see this point, click here and you can use your medium icon size. Friends, you want to change your home screen layout, row and column 4 6 and 4 5 6 you want to use, so you can change your home screen layout setting. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.